Hey guys, it's Hong here from Flow Brackets. Today we're here with this W176 A45 facelift. We're going to show you how to install our two-part mounting system onto this car. We're going to get rid of this box and let's get started. So what's the problem here? So these Mercedes usually come with a large oversized box and they look really out of place with these smaller plates like this. So what we're going to be doing is removing this box and replacing it with this small clean part. So it'll look a lot more tidier than that. So with the box off, we can see there's a bit of a mess here. So with our kit, we provide a few plug-up screws. So we'll be plugging up these 4 original screws here and these 2 extra ones that have been sent through by the plate. And then we'll install our little plinth and it should go right in the middle like that. So I'll show you how to do that now. So first things we're going to do is just going to align this little line there to the center line in the car and mark it out before we drill it. So as an option, we also sell these white dress-up screws to match your car. So in this case, we're going to use the white ones to match the paint. There we have it. We've gone from this to this, nice and clean and easy to do. Just remember, this is a 2-part mounting system, so you'll need to get the plinth to match the corresponding bracket to your number plate. Thanks for watching and hope it helps you out.